Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video we are celebrating Trinity Stamp's latest April release with a video hop as well as an Instagram hop, and I am happy that you stopped by today. The link to the next person in this hop will be listed, the first link down below. Okay, so I started off by using this really beautiful foiled flowers mom cut and foil die set, and you can see it has also a coordinating die, and I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, so I tried a lot of things before this ended up being a slimline card. I think it would fit great in all of the directions, standard A2 size, both directions, as well as mini slimline or slimline as I did today, but I struggled a little bit before I decided and committed to making this into a slimline card. So you can see here I took another stamp set from the new release called World's Greatest, and it has this like cup as well as a flower arrangement that you can have on top of it. I will be sharing another video with that soon, but I took this image and you can see there are bits here that are cut off. So I just filled in the images with my black marker to make it not be so noticeable. I hope that makes sense. I just drew some lines, so that is something you can do as well if you like. I will cover up a lot of this as well, but I wanted them to be hidden behind my letters here. So that is the point of this. And when I'm happy with the placement here, I will glue them together. And I'm sorry I'm a little bit off camera here, but I just tried out how it would look on top of a standard A2 size card front, but I ended up sort of taking that away and then making this into a slimline. So I cut a piece of natural cardstock, or like off-white cardstock on top of a white card base, and then I will raise all of my images up, starting with my center letter here and then building to the sides. So this was a really easy card to make. It really was. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember this is a part of a video hop, so you will find the next person in line down below, the first link. And I also made a little close-up of all of the products being released today in the video right after this, so stay tuned for that if you're interested. And that is something I really like watching, so if you're like me, you probably will find that piece of footage interesting as well. And I also embellished this with some of the new embellishments from Trinity. So I hope you enjoyed this video as well as the rest of the hop. Until next time, have a great day and stay tuned for my little video of the rest of the release. Hi and welcome back. This part of the video will be a close-up of the new release. There will be close-ups over at Trinity's website as well, but I also wanted to include this piece of footage just if you are like me and really loving watching the release in this way. So I will sort of clear my desk here and we can take a look at some of the things. So first off, hang on 2 seconds. First off, there is these really cool dies. So you can see there is 2 sets, 1 circles and 1 frame set here. And you can say these are called clean cut layers A2 set A, as well as clean cut layer A2 set B. So you pretty much have all the layers that you probably ever will be needing in your life if you get these 2 sets for A2 size cards. And it's not stopping there. There is also the A2 foil frame set. So you can see that this is a hot foiling plate that will hot foil this entire background, or these frames. So the cool thing about this is that you can pair them together and have these frames cut out perfectly. You can, for example, foil 2 of them and cut with 2 of these dies to coordinate perfectly with the size of the frame that you like. So I really like that. I think that is a super cool idea, and I will probably play around with that a lot. And the same idea goes for this. So we have the clean cut layer circle A and the clean cut layer circle set B. So you have those, and they pretty much, you can see when I'm keeping them together how many layers that is. And the same idea, you have your hot foil circle frames here. So super cool idea. Then sorry about my chair if that is sounding. It's when I move that it makes sounds. So I probably will save that because I don't know where the dice went, but this is really cool. So this one is called Paper Hugs Heart, and we have the sentiment. You can see how this will look when it's cut out. So you have your stitching and your inside piece with the scallops, and the same thing, paper hugs. And this coordinates with the new stencil called Paw Print Hearts, and there's also one previously released with clovers. So that is fun that you can cut these out. Probably can do it like this so you can see how it looks. So by the way, this is one way of storing your products, is just keeping your stencils in this. So you can see how it will line up perfectly. Oh, I really like this. I have to play around with it. So cute. So got that one. And then when we are on to stencils, we have another one that I really like. This one is the checkered background add-on paw print, and we have previously released a coordinating stencil that has like all of these boxes and squares, sort of creating, of course, a checkered background, so you can have these images like filled in. So that is a neat idea and fun to build on. And then we have, I'm sorry that I haven't cut and like played with this, but I literally just got this in the mail today, so I wanted to share the video before I started creating. So this stencil is called Layered Mug Stencil Set. So this layers with the mug, of course. So you can ink blend that, have some like steam and some foam and some texture to your cup. And this die is just not it is not just a cup, it's also a bear. So it's called Bear Cute Layer Mug Die Set. Super sweet. I cannot wait to play with this. So you can see you have your images. I can cut up a picture like here if you like to see it. And there is also an add-on for this. So this one is called Layered Mug Add-on Cat and Dog. So you have your cats and your dogs as well. So once again, picture up here. Super fun. And then we have a new thing to Trinity, and these are these small sets. I mean, look at it. It's just 2 stamps. Wow, mom, and you are amazing, and coordinating dies for that. So you can see that the mom, I probably think these will not be solid as mine are. Mine are just, I believe, sample ones. But you can see how they will perfectly line up, so you will not have a problem seeing through these. And so just wanted to mention that, and I love that. Super sweet sets. And then we have the next one. This is the Zest Wishes stamp and die set. So the same idea here. I just can get them out. So we have the little lemon here, so that is perfect for stamping. You have a smiley face and a couple of leaves that you can create with. And then you have the coordinating dies, both for the leaves, for all of the sentiments in here, and the lemon. So really, really cute. And I love Trinity for always including those little extra things. Yeah, pretty awesome. I love that. And this is another type of die, I guess. This is a hot foiling plate called Floral Corners Cut and Foil. I think this would beautifully coordinate with some previously released hot foiling plates with flowers. But these are meant for the corners and I think they are just adorable. I hope you can see how they look. And then we have another hot foiling plate that I have to share with you. This is hot foiling burst, hot foiling stamp. So you can see that you can have this sort of exploding out on your card and then you can have a sentiment or an image in the middle. We have another hot foiling plate here. Super beautiful mom hot foil with coordinating dies. Love it, super cute. I love the florals and the design of this. And then we have a separate die. This is called Paw Print Shaker Tag. So that is exactly what it will create, a tag that can have a shaker element. Really sweet. And then we have, I hope you can see how cute this is. This one is called, what is it called? Spring Chicken. You have the little house and all of the sentiments. I love this, made from scratch. Really fun sentiments as always from Trinity. And coordinating dies are available separately if you like to purchase them. Then there is this one. I love this. I will use it a ton. This one is called World's Greatest. And then you have mom, dad, friend, and just the world's greatest, and you can like pop your sentiments in here and the flower can go on top. And coordinating dies once more are available. And this one I'm super excited about. Every time Trinity releases some new Simply Sentimentals, I am all over the place because I love these and I use them a ton. So this month we have a new one called Simply Sentimental Mom, and then you have also the dies for this. And let me tell you, I love the stamp set, but the dies to me are phenomenal. I love them so much and I use them a ton in videos if you like some inspiration on how to use them. But just this font, and I love that all of the fonts go together so well because they are the same like idea for all of these. So very well thought out. But this font, I love it. Love. So cute. I would like that for a hot foiling plate as well. Just by the way. And then we have striped background. This one, actually look at this pocket by the way. I love this. So sturdy. Perfect for stamps. So this is a clear, large clear background stamp with stripes. You can never go wrong with a striped background. Love it. And then this might be the favorite of this release for me. It's the reversed floral pattern. So cute. Really love it. And then we have two different, or sorry, it's one stamp set, but you can use it in a lot of ways. So we have these super cute dogs that looks like clouds. Maybe that could be a cat as well. And then we have a rainbow. And for the loss of your companion, so really thoughtful sentiment. So very sorry. So I think this is a neat set to have for those sort of harder cards to send. So it's a great idea, I think. But there is also a phenomenal die set for this that will coordinate. So you can see you have your rainbow, and I hope you can see that the dies also cuts. You could cut with this die only the outside part if you like that, but you can also cut all of the stripes for you. So this once more is one of those amazing stamps and dies combos from Trinity. So before I go, I just wanted to mention also, you've probably seen this in the shop previously. These are the glossy black cardstock. It's 10 in every pack, and I hope to be sharing how to use them. I have been dying to use them. So yeah, there is also a ton of embellishment being released today. So go check out the website so you see everything. And then yeah, I will be back soon with more videos. And don't forget that this video is a part of a video hop. So go check out the rest of the hop. The first links below is the video hop. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!